Well, Merry Christmas everybody. I'm even wearing a red top. So today I'm going to change my wiper blade. I have noticed that here it's not quite clearing it properly, but if you look at the blade you'll see that it's starting to come off, and it's starting to do the same there. So as far as I'm aware, this blade's been on there for quite some time. A good number of years. I don't know exactly how many years, but this is not a particularly difficult job to do. So basically just pull that, and then it should hopefully come off. There you go. There's a bar there, so basically, if that's going to focus, pops in there and then it folds back on. But anyway, just pull the inner edge out and then sugar it off, and then you can drop it on the ground if you want, you know, Christmas special. So yeah, this is started to deteriorate somewhat, but very simple, easy job to fix. Right, so now comes the exciting part, fitting the new shiny replacement blades. So you've got this smaller section and the larger section, so it's basically going to go on like that. So you're gonna, I have to stop trying to look at this through the camera. So you're going to slide that over. So you're going to put it in sort of 90 degrees. It's going to slide over. Then you're just going to basically flip it round, and that's it, locked in place. Put it down. Job done. So I'm not even going to bother testing it, but anyway, it's fitted. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask, and if you've got any other comments, quite happy to hear them. Cheers. Right, that's the new blade in. Very easy. So you just slip it over that, and then turn that bit into the arm. It should be secure. No problems at all there. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and well, of course you need to smash that like and subscribe button. But anyway, hope you're all having a good day, and well, it's New Year next in 2026. Woohoo! Yay!